Yeah, I just want to talk over the capacitor for this machine. Now this one is the one I've just taken out. I believe it doesn't work. About 7 microfarads. This one is one I got from a Hotpoint tumble dryer which I was taking apart. And this is 8.5 microfarads. Now, they're not the same capacity, but the important thing here is that the new one is a higher capacity, and that's okay. It should still work all right. It came from a tumble dryer anyway, so for that reason it should be working as I would expect. I know with fridges and freezers, the capacitor is only about 3 or 4 microfarads, and it wouldn't be sufficient to put into one of these machines. But this one I think will be fine.